We discuss from the 12th question, find unknown marked angles. That means here we have to use the property that exterior angle is always equal to sum of interior opposite angles. For each question you have to write that statement, okay, then only you will become by heart it. From this, here look at this triangle. Here is an exterior angle, it is 110. One angle is given, another in interior opposite angle you have to find out. From our statement, sum of interior opposite angles is always equal to the exterior angle, that is 30 plus x equal 110. From we can find out x equals 110 minus 30, 80. Another question, exterior angle is 120, angle is 60, and y we can calculate y. 120 minus 60 you will get y. Just like you can do the remaining questions also. Some have given for as homework. Some question I learned for in the notebook, then because all the three angles are unknown. Okay, we will discuss. I'll show that answer. Hello children, look at here. Find unknown angles. Here is an angle A, B, C is given 140. From this angle first we can find out angle C. Okay, we know that what is sum of exterior and its corresponding angle C is always 190. So 190 minus 140 will get C as 40. Now we can find that angle A equals, here is another angle is also given. Here is 125. From using the same statement we can find angle B also. Sum of exterior and exterior angle and its corresponding angle is always 190. 190 minus 125 will get B as 55. From we got B as 55 and C as 40. Now we can find angle A. 190 minus 55 plus 40, that is 190 minus 95. Angle A equals 85. Just like you can find each angle. There is, I have given another option also. You can use any one of the method here. Okay, the another question is, here is an angle is 4m, another one is 140 is given. Interior angle is only 2m is given. From this property, use exterior and interior angles is corresponding angles is always 190. Using that we can find 190 minus 4m, and this is 2m. From using this 140 equals 190 minus 4m plus 2m, that exterior angle property. From that 2m minus 4m, that is minus 2m. 190 minus 2m is 140. This 190 minus 140 equal 2m. That is 40 equals to m equals 40 by 2, 20. Using that 2m equals 20 into 240. 4m equals 80 degree. Using that you can do this question also. Okay, this much questions are here. Now we will discuss classification of triangles. According to the triangles can be classified into 6. First, with regard to the angles, we can divide into acute angle triangle, right angle triangle, and obtuse angle triangle. And regarding to the sides, it can be classified into scalene triangle, isosceles triangle, and equilateral triangle. Okay, I will show the some angles. Look at here. This is a right angle triangle. That means this angle is always 90 degrees. A right angle triangle. And this is acute angle triangle. Look at here. All the three angles are less than 90. But sum is always 180. But all the three angles is less than 90. And this one is obtuse angle triangle. This one angle is more than 90, and that two is acute angle triangle. In the obtuse angle triangle, one angle must be more than 90, and other two, these two angles is always acute angle. It is obtuse plus 2 acute. It is obtuse angle triangle. It is, then only total is 190. It will get 190. Okay, that is obtuse angle triangle. Look at here. This is more than 190. So more than 90. Okay. This is acute angle triangle. All the three angles is less than 90. And this is right angle triangle. This angle is 90. These two is less than 90. Okay, these are known as. And next, according to the sides, look at here, equilateral triangle. That means all the three sides are equal. All the three sides are equal, and all the angles are always equal. Okay, look at here. All the three angles are equal, and all the three sides must be equal. This is known as equilateral triangle. And isosceles triangle means any two sides, these two sides are equal, and if these two any two sides are equal and the base angles is always equal, they are known as isosceles triangle. And the third angle, the equals, when these equal sides will join at a vertex, this is known as vertex angle. This angle is known as vertex angle, and these two angles are known as base angle. That means angle opposite to the equal sides is known as base angle, and the equal sides joining angle is known as vertex angle. And the third angle is triangle is scalene triangle. Scalene triangle means all the three sides are different. Measurement of all the three sides are measurement, and all the three angles is always different. Okay. Now we will underline the main point. Acute angle triangle whose each angle is acute, they are known as acute angle triangle, that is less than 90. Right angle triangle, the triangle size always whose one angle is right angle, that is equal to 90, that angle is known as right angle triangle. There are some important points are related to right angle triangle. Right angle triangle, the side opposite to the right angle is the largest of all the three sides, that is known as hypotenuse. This side opposite to the 90 degree, that is known as this is the opposite to the 90 degree. This side is known as hypotenuse, that is the largest side of all the three sides. Okay. And obtuse angle triangle, one angle of a triangle is more than 90. It is known as obtuse angle triangle. In case of obtuse angle triangle, each of other two angles is always acute. Okay, and their sum is less than 90. That is, these two sum of these two angles is less than 90, because this is more than 90. The total must be always 190. That is why. Next is sides. The triangle is classified according to their sides. Scalene triangle, that means all the three sides are different. Measurement of unequal sides. Triangle has unequal sides are known as scalene triangle. An isosceles triangle means at least two sides are equal. They are known as isosceles triangle. These two, in this figure, these two sides are equal, and this angle is their base angles. Look at here, the angle contains two equal sides are called vertex angle. These two equal sides are contained this angle, so this is vertex angle. Vertex angle, and angle B and C, these two are known as base angles. The third side, the unequal side, is called its base of that isosceles triangle. The two other angles, that is the angles on the base, is known as base angles. Since these two sides are equal, this base angle is also equal. Okay. Now we will discuss important points of isosceles triangle. The base angles, that is the angles opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle, is always equal. Is important, and mark it as by heart it. And next is equilateral triangle. If all the three sides of a triangle is equal, that is known as equilateral triangle. That means all the three sides are equal and all the angles are equal. Okay, in an equilateral triangle, side AB equal BC equals AC. Not only that, all the angles of an equilateral triangle is always equal to each other, that is 60 degree. So since all the angles of an equilateral triangle are equal, it is also known as equiangular triangle. In some textbook or some questions, it is expressed as equiangular triangle. Equilateral triangle is always known as equiangular triangle. The equiangular triangle is always an isosceles triangle, but its converse is not always true. Okay, sometimes it may be true. We will be discussing the exercise questions. Okay, today we will wind up today's class, but you have to study all the by heart all the properties we have discussed up to here. Then only you can understand what we are doing in the exercise. Okay, thank you.